Dear students, today I am going to start a new topic, drone technology, a brief overview, exploring the world of unmanned aerial system. What is drone technology? Drones are unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, that operate without a human pilot on board, controlled remotely or autonomously through software, equipped with sensors, GPS cameras and more. Now I'll discuss about the sensors in drone. Drone utilizes air pressure sensors to stabilize altitude, allowing hover capabilities needed for videography and photography, combined with the acceleratometer and gyroscope. Barometric pressure sensors enable drones to fly with precision. Now we'll discuss about the GPS. A GPS drone in an unmanned aerial vehicles equipped with a global positioning system, that is GPS module. This advanced technology enables the drone to determine its precise geographical location by connecting to a network of satellites orbiting the Earth. What is history of drones? In 1916, first concept by A.M. Low. In 1935, first pilotless aircraft, and in 2002, present rise of commercial and consumer drones. Types of drones. There are different types of drones. Multi-rotor drones, that is to say quadcopters. Fixed wing drones, that is long range efficient. Single rotor drones, that is helicopter style heavy lifting. Hybrid VTOL drones based of both fixed wing and rotor. Now I will discuss about the quadcopters. Some of the aircraft controlled in the AAM Advanced Air Mobility System are quadcopters. Similar to commercial available drones, the term quadcopter refers to the fact that they use four propellers to fly. Several manufacturers are working on larger versions or quadcopters capable of carrying cargo and people. Fixed wing drones. What are fixed wing drones? Fixed wing drones, like traditional airplanes, use rigid wings to generate lift and stay airborne through forward motions, unlike multi-rotor drones that rely on rotors for vertical lift and hovering. Single rotor drones. Single rotor drones types are strong and durable. They look similar to actual helicopter in structure and design. A single rotor has just one rotor, which is like one big spinning wing, plus a tail rotor to control direction and stability. Single rotor drone being used for agriculture. So what is hybrid VTOL drone? Hybrid fixed wing VTOL drones are designed with the capability to vertically take off and land, combining the benefits of both fixed wing and multi-rotor aircraft. This generally reduces the risk of damage to the airframe during the landline process, fly at higher altitude. So what are the key components of drones? These are propellers, battery, camera, optional, GPS module, flight controller, ESC, electronic speed controller, and sensors. What type of propeller is used in drones? Plastic propellers offer an affordable and practical solution for lightweight drones, though they make lack of robustness needed for rigorous use. High performance UAVs often employ carbon fiber propellers, which are stronger, lighter, and less prone to vibration. Batteries in drone. Drones commonly use lithium polymer batteries. LiPo batteries are lightweight, high energy density, and capable of delivering the high current needed to power drone motors. While LiPo batteries are the most prevalent, lithium ion batteries are also used particularly for longer flight times and more stable performance. Drone cameras. Drone cameras technology like MWIR, medium wave infrared, SWIR, short wave infrared, and hyperspectral image. FPV cameras experience crystal clear imagery and immersive real-time flying with the ready-to-sky FPV camera. What is a flight controller in a drone? A drone flight controller, often referred to as the brain of the drone, is the central processing unit that controls the drone's flight and stability. It receives input from sensors and uses commands, process this data, and then adjust the motors to maintain stability and respond to control inputs. What is the electronic speed controller of a drone? As a core component of the propulsion system, an ESC determines how fast the drone motor spins by controlling the power supply to it. Each drone motor requires an independent ESC using a battery elimination circuit (BEC), which allows the flight controller to adjust the speed of each motor to achieve stable flight. So what are the applications of drones? There are different applications of the drones. In military, surveillance and combat; in agriculture, crop monitoring, spraying; in delivery services, logistic and medical aid; in photography and videography, disaster management, infrastructure inspection. So this is a figure of applications of drones. You can see it. So what are the advantages of drones? There are different advantages of the drones. Access to remote areas, cost-effective real-time data collection, versatile uses, reduces human risks in dangerous areas. Challenges and limitations. It has different challenges and limitations: battery life and payload limits, air traffic and safety regulation, privacy concerns, weather dependency, high initial cost in advanced models. Future of drone technology: integration with artificial intelligence and 5G, urban air mobility, UAM, swarm drones, advanced medical and rescue mission, autonomous drone deliveries. Now I will discuss about urban air mobility, UAM. Urban air mobility refers to the concept of using small electronic vertical takeoff and landing aircraft for passenger and cargo transportations within and around urban areas, aiming to ease congestions and improve mobility. This involves developing a network of vertiports, vertical takeoff and landing infrastructure, and air taxi services, offering an alternative to traditional road and transit system. So what is swarm drones? Swarm drones are a group of unmanned aerial vehicles that work together, often autonomously, to achieve a common objective. They can be controlled by a single operator or operate autonomously, leveraging swarm intelligence algorithm and advanced software for efficient coordination. Swarm drones are gaining prominence in military applications for their ability to saturate enemy defenses and perform various tasks like intelligence gathering, reconnaissance, and even attack operations. Now I will discuss about autonomous drone delivery. Autonomous drone delivery involves using unmanned aerial vehicles to transport goods, typically small packages, food and medical supplies, without human interventions. These drones can fly autonomously, flowing pre-programmed routes or using AI to navigate and adapt to changing circumstances. This technology promises faster and more efficient deliveries, particularly in areas with traffic congestions or limited access. So in conclusion, I can say drone technology in revolution industries. With continued innovations, it will play a vital role in shaping the future. Responsible and safe usage is key to unlocking its full potential. Thank you to everybody.